Robotics presented by Cheska Palasan. My robotic topics contains with introduction, outline of the presentation, history and intro to robots, type of robots, locomotion, type of robots application, advantage and disadvantage, and reference and resources. In the past, the human labor and aid of the domesticated animals both gave the efforts to build the earliest society. When the machines were invented to perform repetitive tasks like lifting water and grinding grain, and mechanics and complex mechanism were developed, human labor became less important. As a result, more technological advances developed slightly and widely spread. Electronics was a major technological advance that led to the creations of the autonomous robots by William Gray in 1948. In 1994, George Devol invented a digital and programmable robots and called it Unimate, that later on was used to move hot metals by General Motors in 1960. Robot as a branch of study deals with the following: automation, communication, image processing, sensor networking, artificial intelligence, radio controlling, aero modeling. Robots is the intense branch of studies that deals with mechanics and electronics. NUTCS call it mechatronics. The answers of these questions in the next slide. What is a robot? The definition: work or labor. CGS origin: computer controlled machine. What are they made of? The controller, brain, mechanical parts, sensor. Robotics, the field of studies of the robots, roboticists, people who specialize in robotics. Robotics in our life has a big role in education, industry, science, and researchers. These questions can be answered in the next slide. So, robots invention. In 1948, the inventions of the robot by the British robotics pioneer William Gray Walter. The robot's creating notions and its creations through ages. Why use robots? Humans wanted a machine to rely on because robots never get tired and help the humans by different tasks all time. We'll discuss the reason more under the advantage of the robots label. So this is the types of robots by locomotions. This is types of robots by applications. So the hard task robots is the industrial robots, mobile robots, telerobots. The military robots is the telerobots. Social services robots is the domestic of household robots. The example is in the pictures. The medical robots, school robots, entertainment robots. The space robots is telerobots, robots under the water, robots with other function, robot in agriculture, and beam robots. So the advantage and disadvantage. The advantage of this is to use to do repetitive or boring actions or jobs. Perform a variety of tasks, improve in quality, increase in production, perform dangerous tasks and the human can't do. Robots do not get sick. They can work 24/7 without complaining. And the disadvantage of this is the expense. No guarantee. expertise, training on to use robot takes time, and of course their safety. So the robot influence in their future. So in the future, people and robots can go side by side in their lives. So in each area, in the several areas, they are irreplaceable now already. So replace may hardworking humans workers with robots. So the references that I get this topic is on Google. That would be all. Thank you.